Well, sometimes things just work out in your favor. Just happens that here at work, they had me take up some railroad ties that used to border a cart path by the clubhouse. And we're also getting ready to do a lot of repaving. And the guys were out here milling the asphalt where they were going to make transitions. And so I was able to get railroad ties to use as part of the foundation for the greenhouse. And I've got all these millings to use as a base. And we have a dump bed trailer here at work. So I will be hauling all of this stuff home. All right, greenhouse is starting to come together. Getting ready to set another upright post, and doors will fit in between there. So time to get back at it. Hi, Ellie. Hello, Ellie Mae. What? What do you want? What? To come out to sit with me? Are you a good girl, huh? What do you want? Yes, you like that ear scratch. Oh, so good, huh? I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. She's just a good Ellie Mae. Okay, got one wall. Ellie's still nudging on me. Got one done here. That's how much the ground falls away back there, if you can see. A full concrete block. That's just sitting there temporary, just for me to check level. A lot of you probably already know this, but in order to get a wall square to make your 90-degree turn, whether it's a greenhouse, a shed, a half wall, there's a method called 6-8-10. I think you can do it smaller, do 2-4-6. But what you do is, excuse me, like on this one I measured out 6 feet from my inside corner, put a screw there. So then you go to this wall, my tape fell, but you go to this wall, measure out 8 feet. It's usually nice to have somebody to hold a tape. We're dealing with sun and shadows and everything else. But then you come across and you should be at 10 feet. And I've still got to put some bracing on this, pull this wall out a little bit. I've actually got a bow where I put this window because it was a second thought. But I'm like 5/8 off on it right here. And again, I'll get that straightened up once I put diagonal bracing, like you can see over here on my walls. So I just wanted to share with you. Like I say, most of you may know, but at one point I didn't know. So you can use the 6-8-10 method to square up a corner of a wall. All right, I'm gonna get back at it. Hey, I just want to show you a little bit of where I am on the greenhouse. And I want to tell you about something real quick. Kim's mom's been dealing with dementia, and hospice has come in to help out because she's in her latter stages. She eats very, very little, and according to them, that's pretty normal for late stage of dementia. They say it's just the body preparing itself to shut down. So I know you won't see anything from her. I don't know what our next couple of weeks are going to bring, but just say a few prayers for Kim. She's spent the past, I guess, 6 years, caring for her mom, and she's just slowly gotten worse, and it's gonna be a tough road. It's not gonna be as bad as 2 years ago when she found her dad had passed away, and here he was living with us. We were taking care of him with dementia, and that was a shock. So she's got time to prepare for this, but just keep her in your prayers, and pray for a comfortable, swift passing. And that's about it for now. And I will continue with the greenhouse videoing as long as I remember to set up a camera and tell you what's going on. So anyhow, thanks a lot. Remember, go at life with I can't wait to see what I'm going to learn next. And thank you guys.